How's Patty, the little red Southern kitchen? It's been a minute. I took a little hiatus to take care of some personal things, but I'm back now. Um, got a little life update for you, for those that don't know or anything. Well, I'm sure you all heard about I live in South Carolina, and we got hit really, really hard Monday with tornadoes. And actually, it said in South Carolina, 22 tornadoes touched down. We had 9 deaths total. We only had 1 death here in Walterboro. But we were lucky. We had some big limbs down. Neighbors weren't so lucky. A neighbor one street over, a tree came in the middle of her house. And then behind us, a tree came in most of their house. But anyway, that happened on Monday. Tuesday, our little black and tan Dotson, Jezzy, got sick. And I'm not going to go into detail. Unfortunately, we lost her early Wednesday morning. And I did put a video out of, it's not sad, I mean, so the writing that I did was sad, but the video is adorable of pictures of her throughout her life, and we got this on Saturday, and that looks like her. It's not her, but it looks just like her. With 2011 to 2020, she would have been 9 in July. Okay. Well, now, what we're cooking. We are going to be cooking some frozen butter beans with smoked turkey legs. A smoked turkey wing. The first thing I am going to do is I'm going to put that in there first. Let's see. And this is just a 28-ounce bag of frozen butter beans, picked, sweet, and farmed. I don't have any chicken broth, but I use this chicken bouillon. I put 2 heaping tablespoons in, and this is 4 cups. I am going to add a little bit of pepper. I'm not going to add a whole lot of salt. I will taste them whenever they're done, because the bouillon has a lot of salt in it. And okay, I'm just going to turn this on 25 minutes. It is sealed. And then I'm going to let it do about a 10-minute natural release. And then we'll come back because I want to take that wing out and take the meat off. Be back shortly. Bye. Okay, I'm back and I've vented this. Now what I'm going to do is I want to, look at that. I want to fish. Shoot. I'm going to fish this wings out, this piece of wing out, and I want to cool it. And I'm going to take the skin off and take it off the bone and put it back in there. But we'll be back shortly, but I'm going to ask y'all. I forgot to ask, how is everybody doing? Tony's a truck driver, so of course he's still working. So, actually, with the shelter in place, it's no different from any day of my life. So, and because he's gone to work, and thank goodness. But, alright, we'll be back. Okay, guys, there wasn't a whole lot but of this turkey meat, but that's alright. Tonight we're having my chicken and dressing, and I'll provide a link at the end on my end screen for that. And it's a paper plate kind of night. Alright, this is my Instant Pot frozen lima beans with smoked turkey wing. I thank y'all for watching. If you're not a member or subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And when you do, ring that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment. Love to hear the comments. And like it. Give me a big thumbs up. And share it out on your social media. Let's grow together. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. See you later. Bye.